Road trip, ready, Miss Kitty? Departing WRTR to head over to Quartzsite for the RTR. And we get our 14-day pass along the way, but we realize we didn't need it because there's a government shutdown. But no matter, we're still watching the great desert sunset. I prepare a little dinner and Tim starts us a fire. Fire with Franzia. Van burning van. We add our insignia.
Hold on, wait a minute. I'm gonna take this.
You're watching TV on the side of that truck there. It's a nice day, so we decide to go get some provisions in town, and we check out some of the vendors. Heading back in from town with some firewood. This is where our camp is back here. If I get a signal. Here we are coming to a more compacted area. A bulldozer made this road through the wash. But once you're up in this main part, then we're right back here in this first lot. Right behind the helipad. And say hello to Scully at ParTR. A short walk through the washes. The rains brought all these dainty little beautiful flowers, and along with that, the butterflies and fresh fruit. Berries. For you, Mom. Here's something I was very glad for. Porta potties. Our little campsite.
So we're having a sleepover. She's sleeping.
The best part of all, the sunset. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.